my baby dolls, welcome back to my channel. Before we start on my face, I will be reviewing Ywigs. This hair is in their glueless lace pre-plucked kinky curly 360 lace frontal wig Peruvian human hair. This wig right here is some real kinky curly hair. You guys see this texture? This is 360, so it has lace all the way around, 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, and of course the adjustable straps for you. As you can see, it does look a bit pre-plucked already for you straight out the package, which I love. I will be using Got to Be Glue and Got to Be Freeze spray to glue down this wig. Now this step here that I did was really helpful because I didn't bleach the knots. I just put a little bit of foundation right on the edges of the hairline area because I don't want the edges, my hairline to look like it's white and it's not blending in with my scalp. The whole purpose of a whole lace front wig is because you want the lace to look like it's your own scalp. So I just did this step. I didn't put it all in the lace. I just really felt like the edges were very important to do. So I just did that step, and you guys can do it too if you guys do not feel like bleaching the knots. So as you all can see, this wig is definitely pre-plucked for you straight out the package. So this wig does save you some time as far as plucking the lace in the front. Now if you do want to pluck some more, you can. I didn't do it in this video. I kind of just kept it as is, and I put my scarf on just to lay down the lace so everything can lay down flat and seamlessly. So when I took my scarf off, I grabbed my blow dryer and I just decided to, of course, put it on cool, make sure everything is dry and in place, because once I start brushing this unit, I don't want anything to pull up. So I'm just going behind and making sure everything is glued and dry. One thing I can say about this hairline, the way they made the hairline looks really good. I didn't cut it this way. It was kind of just already made, if I'm making sense, in the lace before I started cutting it. I just cut it the way they kind of like curved this hairline because it's just not straight across. It looks actual like a real hairline. So I really like that a lot about this unit. I didn't have to do no extra work with that either. We like less work when installing our units. So of course I use my water. This is water in my spray bottle, and I'm just applying some water in the front area here, and I grabbed some hair from the back to work with first and started brushing this unit. Okay, so while I'm brushing, I noticed how thick and coarse this hair is. Now, I am a girl that has thick and coarse hair. I am natural under my wigs, so I don't get any perms or anything like that. If you are a girl out there that is natural like me and don't get any perms or don't use any type of bad chemicals, just natural products, then this hair is like similar to our natural hair. Now, I would say everyone's hair texture is different. I would say this wig texture is like a 4B, 4C natural hair texture. Hair type. So if you guys do not understand what I mean by like the hair types that I'm saying, then I'll leave down below a link where you can see the different pictures of different hair types. Some natural heads can be more kinkier, some could be more coarse, thicker, more curlier, some could be more of a tighter curl. It's just all just different type of curls and all type of different textures of the hair. I use some more of my water, and I am going to use my quenching coconut curls. This is going to just help me lay down this front area, and it's just going to give it some texture and some softness in this front. I love the way this lace looks and this hairline looks. I really do. Let me know your thoughts about the lace here in the front. This hair is giving me life. I'm going to go ahead and do a side part. I feel like any part with this hair would look extremely bomb. I was going to do a middle part, but I'm just like, I normally don't do a side part with big hair like that, so I want to try something different, and I just decided to do a side part. And I am using my Cream of Nature mousse just to lay down this part into place, and I am going to use my curling mousse too as well, the coconut curls. Now this is a choice, you don't have to pluck, but I felt like I needed to pluck just a little bit just to open it up some more because this hair is super big, and it's some hair, it's some parting space, but I just wanted to just be open a little bit more, so I did go in and do some work. And what also helped was putting down some powder. I used my Ruby Kisses Matte Never Touch Up. I believe that's what it's called, and I got it from my local beauty supply store, and I have it in the shade Golden Honey. I didn't decide to do any type of baby hairs. I just wanted a natural hairline. I just feel like this unit didn't need all that. I was going for a certain look, so I decided to put on my scarf to lay down this lace and all of that. And you guys, I love the hair texture so much. So I just stayed my scarf on for a few minutes and I took it off. And I used my hot comb just to press everything and lay everything into place. Now another thing you guys can do that I didn't do was cut and layer this unit. I didn't do any cutting or layering. You definitely will or can do. It's up to your choice. It's whatever because it is big hair. But if you don't want to, that's fine too. Save you some time. You guys, this hair is the bomb. It looks like it's my hair, like it's my natural hair. I've grown my hair out for years, honey. I'm just a natural Nista, honey, and I'm just out here living my best life with this big hair. Now, I did get a little bit of shedding, but it's not too much. I just thought because this hair is so coarse and thick, you will get a little bit of some fallout of hair, but not crazy too much, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and put my clips in my hair and start on this face. Of course, I'm starting on my brows first, and I'm using the NYX Micro Brow in the color Chocolate. And for concealer, I am using the LA Pro Conceals in the shades Warm Honey and Creamy Beige. I just mixed those both to get the color that I wanted. conceal my eyelids for eyeshadow, I'm using my LA Pro Conceal Creamy Beige, and I'm just going to go ahead and prep up my eyelids, blend this all out, and set it with my Rimmel London Stay Matte Pressed Powder in the shade Transparent. This right here is just helping me set for my eyeshadows. For this eye look, I am using the James Charles Morphe palette. I'm taking the shade You're Kidding from this palette, and I'm taking it right above my crease, and I'm just blending it all out. So I took the same shade, You're Kidding, and I just made it deeper in my crease area. I just deepened it up and grabbed some more. So then I am going to take my brush and blend it seamlessly out. This just helps for me not to have like harsh lines. Then I took the shade Punch Me. This is the shade here, and this is a very natural neutral shade, and I just took it all over my eyelid. For foundation, I'm using my favorite drugstore foundation. This is the L'Oreal True Match, and I have her in the shade C6 Soft Sable. Now to make these eyes pop even more, I'm taking the shades Social Blade and Daddy. These are two greens. One green is a matte lime green, and the other shade, which is Daddy, is a forest green. I kind of took Social Blade, which is the lime, in front, and then towards the end, I took Daddy, which is the darker green. And I took my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Powder in the shade 330. This I just took to set the remaining of my face. And for contour, I took the Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette, and the shades in this palette I took was Evolve and I believe it was Thunder. Yes, Thunder and Evolve. And to take away some powder, I took my Morphe setting mist. This is the bomb. And for highlights, I took the Wet n Wild highlighter. I think this is in the shade Flower Crown or something like that. I'll leave it down below, of course, everything I use. For my lips, you all, let me put you guys on game with this lip liner. I got this from my local beauty supply store, and it's so good. It's by Ruby Kisses, and I have it in the shade Ginger. Like, this stuff is the bomb. I love it so much. And I'm using the NYX Lingerie in the shade Dusk to Dawn, and I'm also going to use NYX, I think it's Lip Tease, this newer lip by them, Lip Tease, and I have it in the color Cheek Appeal. And of course, I topped it off with some regular clear gloss. So that pretty much wraps it up for this entire hair review and makeup tutorial. I love you baby dolls so much. Feel free to let me know your thoughts down below. I loved everything. I love the hair. I gave you guys my honest review, of course, as always, regardless of anything. Subscribe if this is your first time watching. See you baby dolls in my next video. Mwah.